Hi my loves, welcome to my vlog. Today's Wednesday. I'm ready to go to the gym. My house is a freaking mess. Here's the thing. I'm doing the Christmas market, my local Christmas market this weekend, selling all my macrames. Super excited. The venue is really nice. It's at our luxury hotel. It's called the Rockaway Hotel. I put the link down below. And I'm super excited about it, but it's a lot of work. I have to make macrame. So I did make 5 macrames. I'm working in bulk and I'm super excited. But it's time consuming to make macrames. So I won't be able to do like house cleaning or, you know, things, well, mostly house cleaning. And it's hard when you have my personality to not clean the house. What it is, it's like, when I see a mess, I have to stop what I'm doing to clean that mess. That's how I am. I like the visual to be pleasing in my house so that I'm relaxed. You know what I mean? I don't know if any of you can relate to that. So having to live in chaos for the next 3 days, for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, even through the weekend. So the next 5 days. It's going to be interesting. But here's the thing. I can't be a model, a mom, make macrames, do markets, and clean the house. Like something's going to have to give. So the house it is. Anyhow, right now I'm going to the gym. It's already 10 a.m. and I've been working on my macrames for the past 3 hours. No, 2 hours. So now it's time to take a break. Go to the gym for 1 hour, maybe 45 minutes. Come back, take a shower, get ready, and finish my macrame. When I come back from the gym, I will show you guys what I've created so far. I'm kind of excited. And then throughout the rest of the week, I'll show you how the progress is going. And then voila. Okay, I'm ready to start working on my macrames. I've been working on 5 of them. All right, so this is them right here. As you can see, I'm in my blue phase right now. So I started over the weekend by coloring the ropes with different shades of blue. And then I started putting them on the driftwood. And I'm gonna have 2 of this style, and then the rest is going to be another style. So now that I know what I'm going for, I'm going to start doing the macrame knots, and that's it. It's a process. It's a process. But yeah, I wanted to show you what's going on. Now I have to get into work, so I'll talk to you guys later. macrames. Right now I have 2 bookings in the city, so I'm like pretty much ready to go. I want to show you before I go, I want to show you my achievement so far because I'm pretty proud of myself, I have to say. So let's go to the bathroom, to the kitchen, and let me show you what I did so far. Alright, so this is what I have so far. Out of my 5 macrames, I made 4.5. And let me show you. The light is not the best, but this is one here. And I have another one with the same style. There is this beauty right here, and I need to order more of those beads because I'm out. And I'm almost done with this one right here. And then the last one is that one. So, all right, my loves, I need to vent for 5 seconds because none of my girlfriends are available and I need to put it out. So you're gonna be my girlfriend. Don't judge me because that's real life for you guys. But here's the current situation. This week, like I told you earlier, I'm doing my local Christmas market and I'm selling my macrames. I told Nigel I'm gonna be focusing on that throughout the week. I need to make as many macrames as possible. I'm not gonna be able to clean, do the laundry, cook. Like I can't. We're gonna have to buy food, and somebody's gonna have to do the laundry, and somebody's gonna have to vacuum the house. And on top of that, I have my modeling bookings, right? Which I'm going to one of them right now. The thing is, as long as I'm home, I can kind of keep things under control. But days like today where I am not gonna be home because I have to be in the city, because I have a booking and a go-see, which is kind of like a casting call. And I know it's gonna take the majority of my day. I'm not gonna, you know, and cherry on top, Ella woke up this morning with a 101 fever of 101. So no school for her. Nigel's not working. My dad is home, and the house was such a mess. It was not, but in my standard it is, and it made me so grumpy. It feels like when there's clutter in the house, it feels like there's clutter in my head, you know, and I can't think straight. I don't know where that comes from, or although I have a little idea, it's how I was raised, but my mom was maniac of cleaning, and it's contagious, just so you know. So it's hard for me to let go of cleaning my space. Like right now, Nigel's in charge of cleaning, and that makes me very uncomfortable, and it makes me grumpy because things are not going to be done my way, and if not done my way, it's not right, it's not good. I need to fucking let go on that because it's making me grumpy. I'm being short around the people I love the most on this earth, and that's not okay, and that makes me feel bad about myself. So now, not just I'm feeling bad about the situation of having a cluttered house because I'm not available to clean. I'm feeling bad about the fact that I have to let go of doing things my way and let Nigel take control. And now I feel bad because I am being a bitch around not a bitch, but you know, like a little short and grumpy around the people I love. And that's how I'm starting my day. The fuck is wrong with me? That's why I need my girlfriend to tell me, no, Luisa, it's okay. I am like that too. I can totally relate. You are a strong woman and you like your things to be done your way, and there's nothing wrong with that, but I need to learn to let the fuck go. I need to let go. Okay, that's it. I'm done venting. It's been 3.5 minutes, so that's as much as I'm gonna give to this. Now I'm gonna switch my mood because I have a go-see, which is again like a casting call, except that there's not gonna be 101 girl looking like me, but more like 3 other girls. Anyways, I need to switch my energy. I need to be like, hi, how you doing? Oh, I'm doing fantastic today. Thank you so much. Yay! I'm not completely crazy yet. Trust me. That's the normal Thursday for you. For me. All right, I'm going. Bye. I'm done. I am done. Sorry for yelling in your ears. I apologize. But you guys, I'm happy to be done. Gosh, it's hot outside today. It's like 60 something degrees. And I've been sweating. Woo! But I am done. I'm making my way back home. Nigel already texted me asking me, what time you think you're gonna be back? Ay, 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 ay. But it's okay. All right, let's go back.
Makes me treat you the way I do. Gee, baby, ain't I good to you? Ain't nothing in this whole wide world to too good for a girl so true. Gee, baby, ain't I good to you? I bought you.
Hi, my loves. Okay, it is the end of the day. We're gonna be wrapping up soon. It was pretty good, you know. I am not mad. I did quite a few sales, so I'm happy. My setup is so pretty. I'm so excited. My rack is almost empty. You can see I only have like 3 little macrames left on the rack. A few, like I only have 3 of the blue collections left. I sold the small green one. That's gone. I still have the my two big masterpieces. Their band today is so amazing. I'm gonna link their information down below if you guys want to check them out. Also keep in mind that all these are available on my website. I will link it down below. It's luluclv.com. And then voila, I'm gonna say goodbye because I'm gonna have to wrap it up really soon. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If I post this before Christmas, Merry Christmas. If I post this after Christmas, I hope that you had a wonderful Christmas. I want to say Happy New Year's, my love. Stay happy and healthy. Cheers to a 2022. Wishing you all the best. I will see you guys real soon with a new video. Until then, my love, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir, à bientôt. Hey, c'est la vie.